Hi everyone, this is Gigi Vlogs, a Filipino actor currently based here in Philippines, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will gonna do another reaction video from the diva of Hong Kong, which is Gigi. Actually, I translated the said what do you call this, the said title, but I don't know if this is correct. Yeah,炎明熹Gigi Evening Wind Blowing in the Heart, featuring Gigi and Wu. Blowing in the Wind. The title of the song is Blowing in the Wind, or Everywhere Summer Youth Song Party in健力寶 Guangdong TV. So I am not sure if that is right or whatnot. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, guys. And also you may click the join button there, so that nothing, you will just belong to my squad in my YouTube community. So without further ado, let's all watch this. Gigi, what you will gonna song here? I hear the news of Coco Lee. May she rest in peace. What you will gonna song here? Gonna sing, I mean. Okay. Wait, did I hear this song? I think this is the first time that I'll be hearing this song. Hey, love that. Okay. Oh. The soft tone of Gigi is such an eargasm, very crystal clear. I love that. Okay. Oh. What happened? What happened to the mic? Oh, wow. Oh my god, there's a lot of fans of Gigi. Guangdong TV, Guangdong, China, right? But this one is in Hong Kong. Oh. Love that. It's just like the song is full of hope. Full of hope that she will gonna see the love of her life. Something like that. The vibe that I'm getting is something like that. Oh my god! There's a lot of fans. Okay. The emphasis there, the placement. Her voice really improved a lot. Seriously, the way she do some escalation there, and also the soft tone, the rising, falling tone that she is creating right now, perfectly executed. I love it. Okay. She's so pretty though, look at her. Soft tone. Love that. Nice. Oh wow. I love that. I love that. I love that. Gigi. Gigi, thank you. Right? What's next? She will gonna sing another song. I hope she will gonna sing Magic. Oh, there's another one. Wait a minute, let me just forward here. Who's this girl? Yeah, Gigi will gonna sing again. Who is this? Ah, the dancer. I thought a canto pop group. Okay. Wow, the low notes, the low notes. Love that. Okay. What's the name of that girl? The way Gigi moved her hand, very graceful. Look at that. Okay. Wow. The quality of the voice of this girl as well. She's good as well. Okay. The voice of Gigi here is so sexy though. Hey. I love the quality of the voice of this girl as well. Oh my god, there's a lot of people. What is this? Is this a concert? Why there's no one message me on Instagram about this one? Hey. The girl is so really serious. Her facial expression. Yes, go Gigi. I love that. I love that body language. Okay. Okay. Love that. Okay. Alright. Already done. Hey. Gigi. Gigi. Alright. There you go guys. That is our for today's video. The performance of Gigi in Everywhere Summer Youth Song Party in Guangdong TV. Is that right? So yeah, this is Gigi Avelino Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye guys!